The algorithm is getting completely flooded with generic AI shorts, and audiences are scrolling past them instantly. If you want to pull clean engagement right now, your visual assets have to look highly deliberate. Here's how to build premium 3D product expansions using a precise 2-frame keying layout. Instead of asking an AI for general ideas, drop a specialized technical prompt block into ChatGPT. This instantly designs a consistent 2-frame rendering sequence, a sleek assembled exterior, a matching exploded interior matrix, and exact camera vector values. Select your device and grab the first base prompt. Copy your first image prompt from ChatGPT and jump right into Google Flow. Make sure you are in image mode, paste the text description, and hit generate. The key here is avoiding random generations that break asset continuity. Once your base layer is set, grab the second prompt from your script to render out the internal mechanics. Since the spatial lighting and camera values remain identical, the generator expands the parts perfectly while holding the model coordinates. Next, pass both matching assets directly into your timeline suite. Toggle your engine module to the Omniflash configuration. Paste the structural camera instructions from your script to calculate a smooth mechanical transition between the external casing and the inner circuit modules. To finish the edit, drop down a raw voice track without aggressive filters. Slide a heavy industrial electronic track into the background and line up the mechanical expansion on the beat drop. If you want a copy of the exact layout prompts I used to script this device sequence, check the link below.